Oh, hello guys, welcome back to channel site here. I hope we will hear it today. Well, today's tornado sirens activate time. I hope we hear it today, but I had to pause it right now for a little bit. I don't know, I'll come back till it's time. Okay, we have 1 minute to go. But first, I had to go see the tornado siren. Well, I should listen to both one. See how it's gonna talk. Oh, yep. It's 12 p.m. Siren test, we're ready. We'll be going over here. We're going over here. Oh, yep. Here we go. Yep. That's why he came here. I hear 2001 for a little bit. T135. Thunderbeam. Nope. Here. Well, that was a good activate from siren test. I hope we'll be activate soon, but we'll be going up till next Wednesday, I think. I'm gonna go see the T128 at Sherman, Wisconsin. The first, I had to record it and had to, but anyways, bye for now.